Horse Configurator, Quick Start Guide. This short guide will walk you through how to set up and use the Horse Configurator inside your Unreal Engine project. Let's begin. Step 1. Open your Unreal project and enable the water plugin from the project settings. Then, in the collision section, create a new object channel and name it Water Body Collision. Set its default response to ignore. Next, create a new trace channel and name it Ground Checker Channel. Step 2. Open the Horse Configurator. In the Content browser, right-click the Horse folder, choose Migrate, and move it into the Content folder of your main project. Step 3. Open your project again. Once migration is complete, reopen your project. Go to Project Settings, Maps and Modes, and set the Game Instance class to BP Game Instance. Then, open the map where you want to play. In the outliner, search or create a player. Start and place it where you want the gameplay to begin. Step 4. Play as the horse without a rider. In World Settings, Game Mode Override, select GM Horse. Then press play to take control of the horse. Step 5. Play as the rider with horse. To play as the rider, open World Settings again and switch the Game Mode Override to GM Rider. Then open the Horse folder, go to Blueprint, Horse, and find BP Horse Playable. Drag and drop it into your level. Select the blueprint, then open World Settings and set Auto Possess Player to Disabled, and press play. Step 6. Customize your horse. To personalize your horse, open the Customize Your Horse map inside the Horse folder. Press play, adjust your horse's body type, colors, and equipment. When finished, play once to save your setup. Now, when you return to your main map and pre-SS play again, your customized horse will appear automatically. That's it! You're ready to enjoy the Horse Configurator in your project. Wishing you the best of luck and happy riding.